Well, hello there. It's Patty at Parkland RV Center in Leadington, Missouri, and today we're going to take a look at the 2023 Forest River Salem Grand Villa 42 FLDL. As you can see, it has a really big slide out. It also has a huge awning, outdoor speakers, rear entry door, and sliding glass doors. So when you put your patio on this destination trailer, you've got all kinds of room to enjoy the outdoors at your lake lot or wherever else you decide to put it. So let's go on in and take a look. First thing you notice is that when you go in, you've got lots of windows to enjoy the view. The slide gives it a really big living area. Lots of open space. You've got this nice workspace in your kitchen with storage. Residential refrigerator with a nice freezer at the bottom. Room for all your stuff. And it's organized because it has the 2 drawers. Residential stove with a built-in oven. Always nice. Nice big microwave. Look at all that counter space. And look at all this storage. Nice big drawers. Island kitchen. Got your high-rise faucet. Double sink with those deep sink spaces. More storage. Walk-in pantry. Even comes with a trash can. Then you've got this whole seating area. You've got your freestanding dinette. Theater seating. This couch folds out to make a bed. You got your entertainment center with the big TV, the sound bar, and the fireplace. Nice high ceiling so it feels really roomy. Decorative lighting. Ceiling fan. And then you've got the loft. Let's go up there and take a look. We'll go back to the store in a minute. If we head up to the loft, this was the side we saw from the living area. It's got storage and a bunk pad. And then you've got more over here. Curtains are closed because it's really hot out. You've got 2 more bunk mats and you've got storage. I'll head back down to that door that we passed. Nice sized bathroom. Walk-in shower with the glass doors. More storage. And look at this vanity. Holy cow. 2 big drawers and storage underneath. A mirror where everybody can use it if they want to. Really nice fixtures, I thought. And if we keep going back here, it is a rear bedroom. There's that extra door. More storage. It's got outlet and USB charger by the bed. We've got a dresser. Lots more storage. More storage over here. And then we have a closet with washer dryer hookups. Everything you need. And that is your tour of the 2023 Forest River Salem Grand Villa 42 FLDL. And if you would like to come and see it in person, come see us here at Parkland RV Center in Leadington, Missouri. Thanks so much, and y'all have a great day.